again, good friends. Brian from Apex Detail. When I'm doing correction, I like everything nearby at my fingertips. That includes polishers, polishes, microfibers. So I picked up a few more polisher racks, some liquid racks. I'm going to make yet another detailing cart. I'll take you guys along for the ride so you can check out the racks. And without further ado, let's get this going. This is everything we're going to need today. This is the single station polisher rack from MaxShine, $39.99. Weighs just over 10 pounds, 24 by 8 inches by 3 inches deep, machined, has the rubber lip for the polisher. This is a double station polisher, $46.99 for both rotary and dual action polishers, machined, powder coated, ready to go. This is also here a compound holder, 3.5 pounds, $37.98, 18 by 4 inches by 6 inches deep. Here we have a detail cart I'm going to throw together. We're going to throw this together real quick for you. I'll edit it so you're not bored to death. I just wanted to show you a quick way you can get one together. We're going to rough this in, and then I'll later tear it back down and spray paint and protect where I need to. I have one that's a little similar to this one for the other bay that also contains, besides these pieces here, a foam pad holder. You could put half a dozen to a dozen foam pads in there and dispense them as you need them. Cup holder, cell phone holder, you can get as creative as you want to. I don't like my polishes and liquids or pads to get anywhere near the floor, even though I do try to keep everything as clean as possible. So I like to throw a bunch of these carts together for not only myself, but whoever's helping me or working for me that day. So let's get this going. All right, that's going to do it. We have everything secure, roughed in. Again, I will tear it back down again and protect everything, paint where I need to, protect it so it doesn't start to rust. But the first thing we need to do is clean up, get the shards and shavings from the drill and the grinding that we did, get that out of there. Don't forget our pads and our microfibers are going to go in there. Take your time, be thorough cleaning that out. And also, I like to have everything nice and clean and shiny in the shop, so we're going to protect that too. You can use detailers, spray waxes, polymer sealants. Hell, you could even coat it if you want to. Let's get this detailing rack, detailing cart stocked up and ready for corrections. That includes polishers, liquids, pads, microfiber, anything you need, pad cleaners, anything you need to have by your side during a correction where you don't have to go back and forth and make 100 trips to your cabinets or your tables or your shelves. Has a nice little handy dandy storage compartment down in the bottom and the back of the rack to get the cords down in there so you don't have to wrap them around your polisher, put stress on the connection from the cord and the wire itself to the polisher. A lot of them fail there. We're going to get our liquid stocked up. Besides polishers, MaxShine has you covered with everything. The detailing racks, the polishes, the liquids, microfibers, polishing pads, foam pads, wool pads. I'll put links down below for all of these if you want to take a look at them. And don't forget, we have the single station polisher rack down here on the side. This one's easier to get if you're down working on the side or the bottom of a car and you're sitting on a stool or you're on a roller bed. You just have to reach up, pull it off the rack, and you're good to go. We are fully stocked. We are ready for correction. I don't mind a fully stocked cart, but when I'm correcting, guys, I don't know about you, but I like to have out just what I am using at the moment, what I'm going to be using for this correction, and nothing more. I don't like a cluttered cart. So what I'm going to be doing is cutting first, going all the way around the vehicle, and I'm just going to have enough equipment to get the cutting done on the cart, and then when I get to polishing, then that's going to be a different story. When we get to the polishing stage, I know everything I need, so I'll get that together. And as you can see here, all you need to do is reach out. You don't have to bend over, pick up, or set down polishers on the floor. Makes everything easier on both you and your polishers and your liquids. I did want to bring you in close and show you this thing is made to secure both rotary polishers, as you can see here, and also dual action polishers, as you can see there. And for the final thought segment of the video, the racks themselves are heavy duty, high quality. They are powder coated. Care for them with quick detailers or a spray wax. Keep them clean. They'll keep everything nice and tidy and keep your polishers off the floor. No chance for them to fall over from one side or another if you don't have the ridge on the back of your polishers. Keep them on there, keep them in good shape, and you'll be good to go. A quick bonus for you guys, since listen, my audience, although, I don't have the hugest audience out of all the detailers out there, I do believe mine are some of the most intelligent, passionate, and very loyal. You guys are incredible. So I have a little bit of a bonus for you. After yesterday's wheel rack video that I did, I got a lot of questions asking, hey, what can I use to keep the rotors from really rusting and oxidizing after I clean them, after I wash the car? So I have something for you today. Besides just going back and forth in your garage and then blowing the dust out of the wheel, I actually have a chemical that's going to help you with that. The Hyde's Serum. So this is what you do. After you have done everything you need to do to clean your wheel, your tires, the face of the wheel, the spokes, the barrel back of the spokes, your calipers, after it has been thoroughly rinsed and while still wet, you're going to spray the Hyde Serum on the rotor and just let it go. Or if you want to, you can wipe it down with the microfiber or, whatever you feel like doing, but that is going to cut down on that ugly rust. As soon as you pull out of the parking lot, start, within the first mile or two, you have a heavy brake dust buildup, and that will take care of it. Just a quick tip for you guys. All right, so I hope that helps you out. I'll put a link down below for that, and also the detail racks from MaxShine, and some of the pads that I showed in the video, the polishes, the polishers, everything is effective and affordable. I use them and enjoy them. And, if you follow my Instagram account, you guys can see a lot of the projects I have going on that don't show up on, YouTube or Facebook. So feel free to follow my Instagram account as well. I'll put the link down below for that as well. If you don't have any questions, I'll catch you guys in the next video.